Welcome back to Revu's Recreation. Today we can see how to make Kerala traditional sambar. I am doing this today as I got a suggestion from one of my friends to make sambar. Thank you for your suggestion. So without wasting time, let us come to the video. I am making it for 6 to 8 servings. Here I have taken 2 cups of tur dal which is soaked for 3 to 4 hours, 1 large size potato, 1 carrot. Cook tur dal along with potato and carrot. Add the tur dal, carrot, potato. Add sufficient water to immerse the vegetables. To this, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Next, half teaspoon asafoetida. Now cover it and cook for 3 whistles. Now it got 3 whistles and I turned the flame off. In a frying pan, I have taken half teaspoon oil. Add 1 tablespoon coriander seeds to this. One red chilli. Half cup grated coconut. I am not using the ready-made sambar powder here. If you are using, you can use the Nirapara sambar powder which will be available in the Malayali store. Then you can avoid this step. The sambar powder will be available in the Amazon also. Fry till it is golden brown color. Now it is ready. We can turn off the flame. Once it is cooled, we can grind it. Now the air has gone completely. We can open it. Now we can add 1.5 cup onion to this. Half cup tomato. 1 cup lady's finger. Add sufficient water. Add salt as per taste. I have added 1 tablespoon salt. Now take 1/4 of a cup water. In that add tamarind. I am taking this much amount and make the tamarind juice. If there is no tamarind seeds, you can grind it too. Tamarind pulp is ready. Now add the tamarind pulp to this. Turn the flame on. Keep in high flame till the water is boiled. Then keep to medium flame. Have a mix like this. Just close with the lid. Not completely and without whistle. We have already fried the coconut, coriander seeds and red chilli. I have taken little bit water already. Grind it well. Now coconut paste is ready. Transfer this into a bowl. By the time we are making the coconut paste, it got boiled. Now keep the flame to medium. Let it cook for some more time. Now it is 20 minutes. Just we can see. Vegetable seems to be well cooked. Add the coconut paste to this. If salt is less, you can add the salt, or if any powder you wish, you can add it now. I need little bit more spicy, so I am adding half teaspoon chili powder. Just boil for 2 minutes. Now it is ready. Turn off the flame. Add a handful of coriander leaves to this. 1 string curry leaves. For tempering, take 1 tablespoon oil. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds to this. 1 red chilli. Turn off the flame. Add to this. Have a good mix. Kerala traditional homemade sambar is ready. If you like my video, please like it and share. If you're watching for first time, please subscribe and press bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye.